So YTA is Young Technicians Academy, and I'm the head of YTA. Children that have not been successful in school for various reasons, and they need an alternative way to go about their education. So we look to put packages together that fit their needs, both on the educational side but also on the side of the subjects they're actually interested in. So whether that's performing arts, music, lighting, live events, sound, there's such a wide array of subjects that we offer that are all under one roof that isn't really offered anywhere else. So it's a really cool place to be a part of.
Mainly the staff actually. They're all really great at their jobs. They make sure we have fun and they can let us chill when they know we're tired. They're just great at their jobs.
Regular school's more strict. You kind of just get given a piece of work, you just got to follow on with the board. Here you can actually experience things, do things. I would say for people with autism, ADHD or stuff like that, it definitely does help a bit more.
So it's actually really recent. Last Saturday we did Adam's Family and it was easily the most fun show I've ever done.
So the project ain't finished at the moment, but I'm a rapper. We're currently in the middle of making a EP, so quite proud of that.
Willow's a prime example of someone who found it difficult at first to concentrate and stick on accomplishing something and making the piece of music, to the point now where she's actually started writing her own pieces of music, and next time we'll be looking at moving on to actually get her to write lyrics to this and produce it. Tyrone, somebody else who's really progressed, Will, all of them, to be honest, I think all of them have grown.
So I'm head of performing arts and kind of manage the department and all of the classes. Our number one priority at LAPA is creating an environment where everybody feels like they're safe enough to be creative and explore their creativity. But from a LAPA perspective, we're just like one big family. Everybody can speak openly to one another. Everybody gives each other feedback and encouragement. It's the type of environment where if someone's up doing something on their own, everybody else is their biggest cheerleaders. And I think my highlight of the year is our most recent show, The Addams Family. We had lots of incredible feedback from audience that it's the best show we've ever done, that all of the students had stepped it up, and I think the student reaction afterwards and how proud they were of each other and of themselves was a really good example of what we're all about.
Every single student has grown from the person they came in, either at the start of the year or partway through the year. But from the start of the academic year to now, every single one of them has grown better behaviours. They're showing more respect to staff, they're doing what's being asked of them. To also seeing them grow in all the subjects they're passionate about and the smiles on the faces, and yeah, the growth of the students personally as people is definitely my highlight of the year, and seeing how much they've grown.